Good morning, everybody. Ma Terry here and our fabulous companion, Miss Lucy. Oh my gosh. So what are we going to do today, Miss Lucy? I see you there, Lucy. Look at me. All right, so what it is the front of my van is a mess. Look at that. It is a total mess. And why is it a mess? Because as you live more and more in your van, you figure out where you want things, where you don't want things. Anyhow, I'm going to flip this around and give you guys a good talking to. That's just a mess. Look at that. Nothing's accessible. So why is it so important to get this accessible? Well, when you're traveling, of course you have gas money. So, that's an expense. And you can vary it depending on how many miles a day you travel. But most people's biggest expenses are hotel rooms. Ta-da! Meet Fort Sparkles. I said fart sparkles. Meet Ford Sparkles, my wonderful camper minivan. It is a Toyota Sienna 2018, not a hybrid, but I wish it was. So what it is your biggest expense are hotels. Your second biggest one is groceries, restaurants. You got to eat, right? Well, wouldn't it be great if I made this really nice for eating? Let me show you around what I mean. Here we go. So there's my Hot Logic Mini, and I traveled from Parker, so yeah, I eat a bunch of sunflower seeds. But it's like Lucy just ate lunch, and our thing's dirty. Well, I'd like Sir Drips a lot and my soap up here so I can clean. Look at this. So maybe putting forks and spoons up here and stuff, and maybe my hot pepper, my pepper sauce down below. Let's look at this. This is such a mess. Organization is the key to successful van camping. Okay, that is pretty bad. But maybe a place for napkins and my spices and my hot sauce. And, I have all this area to work with, but it's just driving me nuts lately. So you know what we're going to do? We're going to fix it up. That's our one-day challenge to do. Yay! We're going to do a home remodel here, aren't we? Yeah. All right, so the first thing we have to figure out is what do we need here? We need coffee, definitely. We need water bottle. This is McCafe, and it's full. What I'll do is pour it in there. What this is I put it in my dashboard, and, when I'm stealth camping at a McDonald's, I put that up. Panera Bread, haven't seen a Panera Bread in a while, but they don't give you that. I definitely need my moisturizer up here, and I definitely need my sunblock up here, and my hot sauce. I'm thinking my hot sauce can go in here. Tall bottles can go in here. Anyhow, you guys get the idea. Let's try to figure it out and organize it. All right, so first I'm going to take out what I don't want. I'm going to clean this whole thing up, but let's say this was a comb for when I had short hair. Don't need it. This is for, when they give you ketchup and you want to mix it with some hot sauce and everything, need it. So we'll clean that up. Couple of chapsticks. You open up some sunflower seeds. You're going to need chip clips, need it. So do I need my glass cleaner? Not really. What else do I have here? I have my anti-fog kit. Don't need it up here. And eucalyptus mint. Okay. Since somebody stinks a little sometimes, eucalyptus mint, a good idea. So what this was a really bad container for sunflower seeds. They always went stale real quickly. So what I think I'm going to do is clean it up and put my chapstick in there and some of these tiny little things and organize it that way. That'll be number one. All right, so this is the portable organizer that you get at Walmart, and I think it was about $10. And look at that. It has a lot of nice slits. It's pretty spacious. And where does it sit? I will show you. I know, right here, I have some extra container boxes. What's in here? Some food, some low-carb food. Oh, and a specimen cup. Wow, that's great. All right, so it is all cleaned out there, and it just fits right there. Really nice and snug because of that. I love that. Cool. All right, so this is just the start. I'm not going to leave this like this, but inside here we have my chapstick holders and some clips. Sir Drips a lot, who's seen better days. Scissors, because I can never open ketchup packets. My comb, moisturizing hand lotion, my thing to clean the windshield, sunscreen, stinky spray, some waters, my 12-volt coffee thing. I got to fix this. We'll be doing a fix on that. And let's look in here. Okay, what I need is a small container to keep my sauces and stuff. And then I'm just bagging napkins, bagging salt and pepper, bagging spices. But you know what? If I keep at it, this is going to be great. Anyhow, Lucy, what do we say? We will see you down the road. Bye, everyone. So this is just the beginning of me being able to cook while on the road. This is part 1. Bye.